take it off, and burn it. Now, behind our patio, in the year of 1880, there used to be an alleyway that ran from 5th to 6th Street, well over 200 feet long. Now, at the end of that alley was a cabin. In that cabin lived Tombstone's very first marshal, a 31-year-old man from Buffalo, New York. His name was Fred White. Now, on October 27th, 1880, Marshal White, he was awakened at 1:30 in the morning by gunfire in the streets of Tombstone, thanks to Curly Bill Brocious. What the hell's going on, Burge? Marshal Fred White, Tombstone's very first marshal. He was shot in the groin. Ouch.